Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting and money-saving tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that annoying drippy faucet at home and save yourself some serious cash. It's easier than you think and you'll feel like a pro by the end of it. No need to call a plumber for this one. With just a few tools and a bit of patience, you can handle this yourself. Let's dive in. First things first, safety. Always, and I mean always, turn off the water supply before you start any repairs. This is crucial to avoid any unwanted water mess. Look under your sink and you'll see the valves. These are your water supply lines. Turn them clockwise to shut off the water. Make sure they are completely turned off to prevent any leaks while you work. Now, let's get to work. You'll need a few tools for this job: an adjustable wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and some replacement washers or O-rings. These are essential for a successful repair. You can find these at any hardware store and they're pretty cheap. It's always good to have these basic tools in your home toolkit. Start by removing the faucet handle. This is usually the first step in accessing the internal parts of the faucet. If you look closely, there's usually a small screw hiding under a decorative cap. This cap is often overlooked but is key to getting the handle off. Pop off the cap with your screwdriver and unscrew the handle. Be gentle to avoid scratching the finish. Easy. Right, next you'll see the stem or cartridge. This is the part that controls the flow of water. Use your wrench to carefully unscrew this part. Be gentle. You don't want to damage any of the surrounding parts. Once you've got the stem out, you'll see the culprit of your drippy faucet, the washer or O-ring. These small components are often the cause of leaks. Over time, these little guys wear out and cause leaks. It's a common issue, but easily fixable. Simply remove the old washer or O-ring and replace it with a new one. Make sure the new one is the exact same size to ensure a proper fit. Before putting everything back together, take a moment to clean any gunk or mineral deposits you see. This will help maintain the faucet's performance. A little white vinegar on a cloth works wonders here. It's a natural cleaner and helps dissolve any buildup. Clean parts mean a longer-lasting fix. Now, reassemble the faucet. Screw the stem back in, then attach the handle. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Turn your water supply back on and test the faucet. Check for any leaks and ensure everything is working smoothly. Voila! No more drips. You did it. You just fixed your faucet and saved yourself a bunch of money. Feels good, doesn't it? If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips. Happy fixing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.